All right, this is a simple and fast review of the Tyrone 123A CR123 batteries. It's a 12 pack of batteries as well as a charging kit. So, real simple. If you're not familiar with what these are, they can go in a lot of different things. They can go into security cameras, game controllers, basically, I'll be using them specifically for my security system. The connections on the windows use these batteries specifically. The nice thing here, again, is you've got a USB-based charging cable. And then, literally what you'll do is just pop these in and they can fit. It's actually a dual action. So you can use these for a couple different types of batteries as a charging cable. Only thing you will need to do is note that again, you'll have to plug it in this way to a power bank, and again you can plug them in here as well. So there's multiple options as far as power, which is great. And so we'll demonstrate that. You will need like a brick that will connect you to a wall. That's the only thing that you'll need. And so let's get these unwrapped and show you how they charge. All right, so for me, I'm just going to plug them into a simple USB adapter. And as you can tell, they do charge. So it gives you a good idea, straight out of the box, where they are. They're not fully charged, but I do want to show that it's simple and easy to set up. And I do like that it kind of tells you where you are on the level, and obviously the blinking shows that it is charging. But we'll get them all charged up and then put them in. So hopefully this review helps with your buying decisions on as whether or not this will come fully charged, or whether or not you need to charge when you get them, and what the charging capabilities are.